Hey guys, this is Brad from Carolina Boat Company. Today we're going to show you around the Coastal Skiff 271 Tour Edition. This is a 27-foot skiff set up as a commercial boat for sightseeing, ferry service, anything carrying passengers. This boat's been fully customized for that purpose. As you see, we've got glassed-in seats here. These bench seats are 12 feet, run from the bulkhead of the bow deck all the way to just forward of the console. You've got them on both sides. Custom aluminum rails, again, run from just aft of the bow down past the console on each side. You've got nice grab rails here for boarding and unloading. Nice big top here, covers, say, half the boat. On this model, we have set the console back towards the stern of the boat to open the front some. This boat has a 37-gallon aluminum fuel tank inside the console. Nice leaning post. Rear deck here has a storage box on one side. The buyer opted for a live well on the port side. Plenty of storage, a lot of room. This boat drafts less than a foot as it is. This one is optioned with a V6 Mercury 200 horsepower outboard. Boat probably is going to run close to 50 miles an hour with a light load. I'd imagine, low to mid 40s loaded down, but obviously it's meant to idle around with customers, passengers, tourists. There's a lot of different uses for this boat, but these are going to be set up for sightseeing, eco tours, dolphin tours, that sort of thing. And each one of these can be custom built and spec to your liking. Give us a call at 919-659-5096 or shoot us an email at info@carolinaboatco.com for more information. Again, this is Brad from Carolina Boat Company. This is the Coastal Skiff 271 Tour Edition.